Hey everyone, how to make money when the market crash. Let me break this down real quick. Most people panic when the market crashing. Red candle everywhere, portfolio bleeding, and the first instinct, sell, run, tap out. But here is the thing, that's where the real money is made in this space. When there's fears, when there's scarcity, that's when smart investors enter the market, not exit. A lot of people lose because they buy into hypes. They FOMO in at the top. When the price dips, it hurt because they got in too late. That's how a lot of people ended up being exit liquidity. I say this in almost every video. Your entry matters more than anything else. If your timing is wrong, you're basically setting yourself up to lose. Now, back to the points. If you're not sure when to get into the market, the best move is simple. Wait. Be patient. When the market is crashing, when the charts are red and everyone's breaking out, that may just be your day. That's when the opportunity show up. Here is a simple trick that I personally use. Don't chase coin that already pumped. Instead, look for solid projects that haven't taken off yet. Wait for the dip, then strike. Personally, I follow the 80% rule. If the coin already pumped 80%, I strongly avoid it. I rather get into something that's still under radar, especially on the red days like what we experienced in the past 3-4 days. That's the strategy. Protect your capital, play the smart game, and don't fear the dips. Embrace them. That volatility, that's the gift right there. That's what makes crypto exciting. So yeah, don't stress the red days, because when the market recovers, and it always does eventually, you're not just recovering your initial investment, you're sitting on house money. Learn from the pain, stay in the game, and when the next crash hits, be ready. Anywho, thanks for watching this part, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.